Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the RDR2 black screen error or the not launching error. So I will show you guys effective solution to fix this error. So first go to your library and just select your RDR2 game. Click on this gear icon and go to its properties. And now here go to the install files. Then click on the verify integrity of game files. When you click on that, it will start repairing your corrupted files or any missing files, and this built-in function can fix your problem automatically. And then if your problem is not fixed, click on the browse option, and here you need to just select your launcher of your RDR2 game. Right click on it, go to its properties, and now click on the compatibility. And now here you can check this box of disable full screen optimization, and also check this box of run the program as an administrator. Click on the apply, then click on the OK, then just restart your Steam, restart your game, and your problem is fixed. And guys, if your problem is not fixed after this solution, you can open up your RDR2 game and then go to its graphics settings, and here in the advanced graphics, in the graphics API, you will just select the DirectX 12. Then you can just restart the game and your problem is fixed. And let's say if your problem is not fixed after this solution, then you can go with the next solution. So you have to just open up your RDR2 game, click on the gear icon, go to its properties, go to the updates, and simply update your game. Because sometimes the missing update will also cause this issue, so you need to just update your game. And after that, if your problem is still not fixed, then you can go to the Windows search and type here the device manager. So you just need to update your graphic cards, because the unupdated graphic card will also causes the issue like this. So you need to just only click on the display adapters and just update your graphic card. And after that, go to the Windows search again, type here the Steam, and also run your Steam as an administrator. By running as an administrator, your Steam has the access to modify files or access the files. And guys, this is how you can fix your problem. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it and also do subscribe to our channel. And if your black screen error was fixed, so please make sure you comment down below so that other people will know this solution will work and they can also apply into their PCs. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.